Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your hairstyle in Avatar world. So changing your hair is the fastest way to give your character a whole new personality. And in here, I'm going to take you inside the hair salon. And I'm going to show you how you can use the barber chair and reveal the secret to unlock special new hairstyle. So what you need to do in here is find the hair salon. This one's right here, the one with scissors at the top of the store. Actually, there are lots of other places, but this is one of them. And just head inside. Okay, so now we've already inside the hair salon. As you guys can see, there is this barber chair, and there's also these the hairstylist. You can just now put your character in here. Okay, I'm going to change her hairstyle, so you can just drag your character to the barber chair and then choose the new hairstyle that you want. You can see at the top right here there is this like hairstyles preset that you can choose. For example, I'm going to change it with this one right here. Then just go with the blue one. You can just click on a check icon. Now the hairstyle will be changed. And if you want to change the color, you can also just grab the hair color in here, the hair color spray, and choose the color that you want. Let's say this one. You can just brush it off your hair like this, and the color will be changed. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.